In this video, I will show you how to change your currency on Revolut. To do this, first go and open up the Revolut app, and from the home screen, what you want to go and do is click on accounts. It's right under whichever currency you have now and then your balance. So click accounts. Now here you can see all of the currencies that I currently have, but what you want to do is click add new and then select a currency account. From here, select whichever currency you want to change to. For example, if I would like to do the Japanese yen, then I can click on it. And now I've opened this account. And now this is my currency, but what you now want to do is click move and then set it at the top to whatever currency you have. So for me, euro. Then at the bottom, set it to whichever one you want to change to. And then just gonna swap your money for that currency and click review order. And then click on sell at the bottom. And now I have moved it into that currency. So now this is my currency on Revolut. So that's how to change currency on Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.